how to fix 0 byte download on Steam. So if you want to fix 0 byte download on Steam, maybe you're trying to download a certain game but it's stuck on 0 byte. Now there are a couple of things that we can do. First is you can simply try to turn off or turn on your internet connection. If you're also using a VPN, try to reconnect your VPN. Sometimes that could be the issue. Now you can also try to pause the download and then basically cancel the download as well. So go ahead and then make sure to cancel the download by right clicking on it and going to manage and going to the option called uninstall. Once you go to uninstall the download and just go to your Steam library and hit the install button. But before you hit the install button, once I recommend that you simply restart your PC, shut it down, open it up again and try to install it, and that should help you solve the problem. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.